Today we will show you how to set up your new Garmin Approach S70 golf watch. First, we would recommend charging your watch for 2 hours before heading out to the course. Your Approach S70 will already have the golf activity as a favorite. To open other activities, tap the icon on the bottom or swipe up. Your watch will already have a preset list of activities to choose from. However, you can always scroll to the bottom of the list and select Edit to add additional activities. To open an activity, tap it, then press the action button to start the activity. To begin a round of golf, select Play Golf. Your watch will now search for satellites. Once finished, it will automatically select the course. However, if there are multiple courses nearby, you will be able to select one from a list. Then select how many holes you would like to play. Now you will have the option to keep score on your Approach S70. Finally, select your tee box and tee off. And that's it, your Garmin Approach S70 series watch is now set up. To learn more about your watch, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.